Fine, this is 29th problem. Let us check out here. What sum of money will produce 143 rupees interest in 1/4 years at 2.5% rate, simple interest. So what they have given simple interest is equal to 143, correct? So interest they have given, and as well as time they have given, that is 3/1/4, and rate of interest they have given, that is 1/2%. We have to find the principal. So we know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100 R. P is equal to what? P is equal to SI into 100 that divided by T into R. Now let me convert this mixed fraction to improper. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. 13/4. This is 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5/2. Substitute, you are going to get the answers. That is P is equal to SI. SI is equal to 143 into 100 that divided by time. Time is 13/4 into rate of interest is 5/2. So now this will become 143 into 100 into 4 into 2 that divided by 13 into 5. Let me simplify it. 13 ones are, right? 13 ones are 13, and one remainder 13 ones. 5 ones are 5, 27. Now 11 into 20 into 4 into 2. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, that is 160 into 11. So now multiply it. 11 zeros are 0, 11 6 are 66, 6 carry, 11 ones are 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6 is 17. So the answer is 1760. The principal is 1760 rupees. This is the answer.